Welcome to this presentation on selective aromatic hydroxylation with dioxygen and simple copper imine complexes. This research was conducted by Jonathan Becker et al. And published in 2015. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of chemistry to talk about something called hydroxylation. It might sound technical, but it's about adding a simple OH group to molecules, and it's absolutely crucial for countless things we use every day. Did you know that adding this little OH group is essential for creating many of our life saving medicines, advanced materials, and even flavors and fragrances? Nature does this effortlessly with enzymes like tyrosinase, but mimicking this precision in a lab, especially in a cost effective and environmentally friendly way, has been a major scientific challenge. Our research aims to make this complex chemical transformation much more accessible and efficient. Imagine trying to understand how complex machine works. You wouldn't just look at it, you'd take it apart, watch it in action, and maybe even build a computer model to simulate its inner workings. That's exactly what we did with our chemical reactions. We started by re examining an existing machine, a copper complex with a ligand called PPN, using high speed stopped flow experiments to observe reactions happening in milliseconds. This is like slowing down a fast moving car crash to understand every detail. Then, we designed a new, simpler machine using a ligand called BDED, which is much easier to build. To truly understand why these machines work, we used powerful computer simulations, a method called density functional theory, to map out every atomic step of the reaction. This allowed us to peek inside the molecular factory and see how the OH group is precisely added. Our big win is twofold. First, we confirm the crucial role of a specific intermediate, a bis mu oxidodicopper complex, in the hydroxylation process. This is like identifying the exact tool that does the heavy lifting in our molecular factory. Second, and perhaps most excitingly, we successfully developed a new simpler chemical tool, a copper complex supported by the BDDED ligand. This new system is much easier and cheaper to synthesize than previous ones, yet it achieves highly selective hydroxylation of aromatic aldehydes, producing valuable compounds like salicylaldehyde, a key ingredient for aspirin, in excellent yields. Our computational models also showed that the BDAT system follows a very similar, efficient mechanism to the more complex PPN system, but with a slightly lower energy barrier, meaning it reacts even faster. So, how does this fit into the world today? Our research provides a new, more practical pathway for selective hydroxylation. This is incredibly important because adding OH groups is a fundamental step in making a vast array of chemicals. By using simple copper complexes and readily available oxygen from the air, instead of expensive or toxic reagents, we are moving towards greener chemistry. This means less waste, lower costs, and safer manufacturing processes. This new method offers a versatile building block approach for chemists, allowing them to create complex molecules more easily. It opens doors for developing new pharmaceuticals, advanced polymers, and even agricultural chemicals with improved properties, all while being more environmentally conscious. In the next 5 years, this research will directly impact your daily life in several tangible ways. You could see more affordable and accessible medications as drug manufacturers can synthesize complex active ingredients more efficiently and with less environmental impact. This could lead to lower costs for essential medicines. Beyond medicine, this work will contribute to the development of new high performance materials. Think stronger, lighter plastics for your car or better coatings for your electronics, all produced through more eco friendly manufacturing processes. Ultimately, our research helps create a future where the products you rely on, from your morning aspirin to the advanced materials in your home, are made more sustainably, safely, and affordably.